Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Wuthering Waves on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Wuthering Waves on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Wuthering Waves, since that's where we will download the game, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter it correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the game on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download buttons for the game. So just select the button depending on your device. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And after clicking the download button, your Wuthering Waves installer will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the game. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, I want you to click the agreement box first. And then you can now click the install button after. And after that, there you go guys, you will now see the final download button for the game, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will then be able to see the game size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click the browse button and then set it to the folder where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click the download button. And after clicking it, there you go guys, the full game will now start installing. This might take some time depending on your internet speed since the game's size is kinda big, but just be patient and wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.